This is ABC 7 News this morning.
Potentially damaging allegations involving Congressman Jesse Jackson Jr. published a report about his connection to a fundraiser, former Governor Rod Blagojevich, Barack Obama's Senate seat, and it's also details the congressman's connections, alleged connections to a D.C. restaurant hostess. That news couldn't come at a worse time, as he's considered among the potential candidates to run for Chicago mayor. So, how will this impact his political future? Could there be some legal trouble? What about the upcoming second trial of the former governor? To answer all these questions, we're joined by attorney, our legal expert, Thomas Glasgow. Good to see you, sir.
Good morning.
So much happening here. And again, these are all allegations we want to stress. But what kind of legal issues are involved here for the congressman?
Well, no charges have been filed, but these revelations go to the heart of probably the easiest thing for these jurors to understand. When you had the jurors here in the station talking about the Senate seat, the easiest thing for them to understand, the 11-to-1 deadlock was for guilty with regard to the purchase of the Senate seat.
Right.
These allegations go to the heart of that, and they begin to talk about someone who gives linkage to Blagojevich and Jesse Jackson Jr. as to money for that seat, which is something that was troubling for the jurors. During the trial, the judge ruled that some of these issues were hearsay and could not come in. Now, with these things, perhaps these revelations coming forward, perhaps these are things that the government can use in the second trial to then bolster this case for the sale of the Senate seat.
So that would even clarify it even more so for potential jurors, make that link, the alleged allegations of a link.
You're correct. Conspiracies are very difficult to understand. They get murky, they're difficult to understand. This is something very easy to understand. Money for a seat.
Let's talk about this. What could this actually do? Even this the hint of scandal now to the congressman and his possibilities of running for mayor, or even holding on to that seat.
Well, he was a very, very strong contender for the mayoral seat. However, I think with the allegations of infidelity as well as the allegations of corruption, that puts him out of the race at this point. Will he keep his seat in Congress? Yes, I do. I think he will keep his seat in Congress. It's a very heavily Democratic district. I think he will keep that seat. But the allegations of infidelity are the lesser of the two. They become, since the Clinton era, a lot less important. Right. But those allegations of corruption are very, very strong and could hurt him a great deal.
And the family said they've worked that out. They've been dealing with it for
absolutely.
For 2 years.
Largely, it's considered a private matter. Even though he's an elected official, this is a private matter with the family and the children.
But the thing to watch out for is what this could possibly do to the Blagojevich trial, the second trial.
You're correct.
All right. Thomas, as always, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Good to see you. We'll be back with weather and traffic after this.